Mrs. Festa's Math Lesson Summary for Unit 6, Expressions and Equations, Lesson 11. We are doing another page of distributive property with multiplication over addition. The top half of the page actually gives you examples and notes to follow. We're going to be working in the bottom half of the page. Multiply each number inside the parentheses by the number next to the parenthesis. This is our problem. 5 times 3 plus 2. So 5 times 3 and 5 times 2. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 2 is 10, which gives us a total of 25. 2 times 5 plus 4, then plus an additional 8. So we're only going to take 2 times 5, and then 2 times 4, and the plus 8 stays the same. 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 4 is 8, and we're going to add all three numbers together, which gives us a total of 26. Remember, the multiplication is not applied to the number that is not in parentheses. We can use variables and negative numbers too. So 6 times 2x minus the 6 times 1. In this case, they rewrote it using addition and kept the negative sign with the negative 1. This will give us 12x plus a negative 6, which is the same as saying 12x minus 6. Here we are going to factor out by finding the greatest common factor. 6 plus 10. Well, 6 plus 10 share a factor of 2. Both numbers can be divided by 2. When we divide 6 by 2, we get 3. 10 divided by 2 is 5. The 2 is written outside of the parentheses. 2 times 8 then gives us 16. The next one uses the greatest common factor of 3. We have negative 3x plus 9y. Both share the factor of 3. So if we divide negative 3x by 3, we get negative x. 9 divided by 3 is 3 and stays attached to the y. So inside the parentheses, we would have negative 1x, or you could write that just negative x, plus 3y. Our next problem shows us 12x minus 5x. Well, these have a greatest common factor of x. So we're going to factor x out of both sides. That would leave us x outside of the parentheses with 12 minus 5 inside of the parentheses. 12 minus 5 is 7, so we are left with 7x. Remember, we always write the coefficient in front of the variable.